In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see pending connections on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process in a simple step-by-step manner, ensuring you can easily check your pending connection request without a hitch. First, you'll need to go to LinkedIn. You can do this simply by opening a web browser and typing in linkedin.com. This is your entryway to the professional world, so if you haven't bookmarked it yet, now's a good time to consider doing so. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You can sign in using either your Google account, Microsoft account, or you can opt to use your email address and password. Remember to use the same credentials you always use to access your LinkedIn profile. Now, depending on your account settings, LinkedIn might prompt you for a little extra security check if you have two-factor authentication enabled. This means you'll receive a code on your phone that you'll need to enter to proceed. It's a handy security measure that keeps your account safe, so always ensure your contact details are up to date. Once you're safely logged in, direct your attention to the top of the LinkedIn homepage and find the My Network icon. Give it a click. This section is your hub for building and managing your professional connections. Upon clicking, you should see the Invitations section. Here, find the See All option, which will lead you to the invitation management page. This page is particularly useful as it compiles all your connection activities, offering you a snapshot of both pending and received invitations. When you arrive on the invitation management page, you'll notice it defaults to the Received tab. This shows you any connection requests that other people have sent to you. However, our focus today is on the ones you have sent that are still pending. For this, you need to shift your gaze to the Sent tab. Clicking on it will display all the connection requests you've sent to others that are still awaiting their response. From this list, you have the power to manage your pending invitations. Let's say someone hasn't responded to your connection request, and you've rethought that invitation. You can easily withdraw it right from this screen. Simultaneously, if you revisit the Received tab, you have options to accept or decline any incoming requests that you might have been putting off. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your LinkedIn connections efficiently. Navigating LinkedIn with ease not only helps keep your network organized, but also enhances your overall professional presence. I hope this video was helpful and that you feel more confident managing those connection requests. Thanks for tuning in and happy networking.